I used Google Forms to create a survey, and within Google Forms, you can do different types of responses for questions. You can do short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkbox, and etc. So this is just like the layout of my quiz. And then you can also look at the responses. You can look at a summary, so it'll give you different like charts. It'll tell you how many people answered for whichever response. And then you can also look at like individual responses, so you can see what each person put. This allows you to create a spreadsheet of all of the responses that you have. And then over here you can download responses, print them, just like various things. And then you can also stop accepting responses, which would be good for a classroom situation if you like don't want your students to be able to respond after a certain time.